Here we have a Belarus 300 diesel, a 1995 year model with low hours and in good condition. The tractor has just been recently serviced. The transmission, the oil's been changed. The transmission oil's been changed. The filters have been changed. The fuel filter and the fuel injection pump have also been recently serviced. It's an air-cooled 36 horsepower diesel engine. And the air-cooled fins have actually recently been steam cleaned and serviced. And here you would pop this off, take this off and clean all of that out. You have your diesel tank, fuel tank. It's 12 volt battery box inside the tray there. Here you have your high and low range transmission, 6-speed high and low range with reverse. You got 6 reverse gears and 6-speed high and low. You have tilt steering. Which can be tilted at any position. You have a new seat, suspension seat actually, where you can adjust the position front to back in several spots, and then you can adjust your ride suspension, tension on the ride. You have a remote hydraulic lift in the back, 3-point hitch, which is controlled by this lever, up or down. The lift works well in both directions. The lift has excellent down pressure due to having a external hydraulic cylinder that powers the lift. As you can see, you have your PTO and a drawbar. This lever actually has never been used. It is actually a remote hydraulic input. If you wanted to run a front end loader or any kind of implement that required hydraulic power, you would use this lever to operate that. And that's about a $500 option. Here you have your hand throttle and your PTO engagement. As well as a hand throttle, you also have a foot throttle, left and right brake. And right here is a pressure release on the engine. On this side you have a clutch for your transmission and then your clutch for your PTO when you engage the PTO. Back here in the back you have your differential lock. If you get in a tight spot, need more traction, you just step on this and that will lock the differential. Up here you have your toolbox and you have your rollover protection system. And also has power steering as well. Power steering. And let's see if we can get this started. First you want to set the throttle. Turn on the master switch. Okay, have power. Flip on the switch and press the button. As you can see, the engine is in really good shape, runs well. No smoke. Alright. Now we'll try the PTO. Mash the PTO clutch in. Engage the PTO. Tilt the wheel back, you're ready to go. To shut off the tractor, you just turn off the power switch, and then you shut off the fuel. And that shuts the tractor down.